Descend to rise. As I descend the stairs of my home, I focus on the light beneath the door. It crawled towards me like a hunter. The hunter called out to me, "Come, it's okay, come." It carried the scent of freedom. Soon this would be the last time I see this side of the door. The door that slammed shut my tears for 20 years. The door that meshed the fears of my independence. I stepped through the door. With a vision of the final closing, already my heart has a feather-like response. The squirrel looks at me like it knows something is different. My step increased confidence. My mind strong with the mantra, not taken anymore. The road I have lived for 30 years has shrunken. I see the yellow reflection of nearby buttercups for the first time cheering me on. I continue to smell the snake of freedom chasing my echoes past. The strong, black, confident woman that everyone knows is no longer a charade, it is real. He tempered my moods and controlled my thinking, my friendships, my decisions. I'm awake now with the strength of my ancestors led by my mother's grave, my path of pebbles now molten gold. I walk away from everything, my memories, my cell, my prison warden, my belongings. 30 years now condensed to a carload. Fearless, triumphant, supported by the seen and unseen. I will rise victorious. When I close the door for the very last time, the shackles will be left at the doorstep. He can wipe his feet on the new doormat of shackles. He may not even believe that he has lost, but I surely know I have won my life back. I'll be driving away one carload of new memories, new destination, new adventures, new tomorrow, reborn, strong, black, confident, and truly independent.